In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add FAQ section to your Shopify store. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, head to the Shopify App Store and search for FAQ apps. Look for terms like FAQ, knowledge base, or page builder apps that explicitly mention FAQ sections. Popular choices often include knowledge base tools and page builders like Pagefly. Take a moment to read a couple of reviews and check screenshots so you know the app supports the layout and styling you want. Think about features that matter to you: searchable FAQs, accordion behavior, category organization, and mobile responsiveness. Choosing an app that integrates smoothly with your theme will save time later. Once you've selected an app, install it by following the app's on-screen installation prompts. Most apps will ask for permission to access certain parts of your store. This is normal. After installation, open the app's interface. Here you'll add your questions and answers. Keep questions clear and concise, and write short, helpful answers that solve customer needs quickly. Use consistent formatting and, if the app allows, organize questions into categories or sections. If some answers require more detail, consider linking to a product page, help article, or a contact form, but keep the core answer brief. Save your changes regularly and use any preview feature inside the app to confirm how entries look. Next, add the FAQ section to your store pages through your theme customizer. Open your Shopify admin, go to Online Store and then Themes, and click Customize. Look for the option to add a section or a block and select the app's dedicated FAQ section or the page you created with the app. You can add this to an existing template like product pages or the dedicated FAQ page, or create a brand new page template if you prefer. Position the section where it will be most useful, near product details for product-specific FAQs, or on a support page for general store questions. Finally, customize the appearance and link the page to your site navigation. Adjust typography, colors, and spacing so the FAQ feels like part of your brand. Make sure the accordion behavior works well on mobile by testing on a phone. Add the new FAQ page to your main navigation or footer so customers can find it easily, or link to it from product pages and order confirmation emails. After publishing, test the links and read through the FAQs one more time to catch typos or outdated information. A clear, well-placed FAQ section reduces support requests and improves customer confidence, so take a few extra minutes to get it right.